Alright, so today we've got a Maytag Model 92. I bought this engine off of eBay. It's kind of unique in the fact that it has a rope cup for a starter up here. Let's see if we can get a good look at it. And I've never seen one that has it. So mostly Maytags were on washing machines, but other manufacturers bought them and put them on things, on lawnmowers. They made some generator sets or light sets, however you want to put it. So I'm thinking maybe this is on a lawnmower, but I haven't done a lot of research. It looks pretty original as far as I can tell. It does have spark. The only thing I've done to it is I removed the fuel tank and cleaned it out. It was good. It didn't need to be sandblasted or coated or anything. One of the bolts for the fuel tank, it wasn't original, but I had another one. I put it on there. So on this side of it, it has a pulley and this big aluminum thing on here. I'm not sure what that was for, but I think that's why I think it was on a lawnmower or something. This side would typically have your foot start. I mean, this would be underneath the wash machine, and you would push a lever down with your foot to make it start. But obviously that's not present because it has a rope start. Like I said, it's I've never seen one before. So we'll have to do research. Like I said, it looks original. The spark plug-ins are for the time period, and the original ones I've seen have had these spark plug-ins on them. But the spark plug wires are too different. We can see that this kind of has a stripe on it, and this one here is, you can see the cloth coating in it. And the crimp's a little bit different on this one. This one's more uniform. So like I said, not sure. It does have spark, like I said. It has compression, so all we have to do is put fuel in it and give it a try, see if we can get it started. This might be kind of short because it might just start right up and run, but we never know. A little bit more on this. It is a 2-cycle, so it's a mixed fuel. It's 16:1, so 8 ounces of oil to 1 gallon of gasoline. This is choke slash throttle. This engine has a jet down in here, and the compression from the engine sucks the fuel through a jet that's right up in here into the crankcase, which obviously the mixed gas lubricates the crank and the connecting rods and everything, and then you control the fuel mixture with the air is what I'm getting at. And there's a couple of marks here. Whoever previously had it's put a mark, like maybe it ran really good there. Here's another mark, maybe it ran really good there. Not quite sure. And the governor on this one, you take this bolt out, and you can adjust the governor. It's kind of unique. I'm going to do another video on a Model 72. But we're not going to get into that right now. This is on the Maytags. The serial number is on the flywheel. I don't know if we can see that. Get a little closer maybe. But it's 10760. So this puts that at a 1946, somewhere between June and July this was manufactured. Another thing about the Model 72, as far as I know, this was the last gasoline engines that Maytag made. Not sure quite what the end year is, but it was right around 46. I'll look and I'll post it in the video. So let me get you guys set up on the tripod and put some fuel in it and see if we can get it to run. Yeah, it's almost full. So we're gonna close this off and give it a couple pulls just to see if we can get fuel up to it. It does have a check valve in the tank, a little bit different. I'll show you that at another time. So go ahead and open it up just a little bit. And we'll go to that first mark and see what she does. Well, I can smell fuel. So there she is. I think that was, I paid a reasonable price for it on eBay. So success. We'll take it to the next gas engine show I go to. So that's it. Have a nice day and thanks for watching.